Hey, teens! No?
Mm-mm.
Is that
No.
it's not cool?
Old.
Okay. Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
Try again.
That was last year.
This isn't quarantine.
Last year. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Kelly with the Lafayette Public Library, and I'm here today to show y'all the brand new Teen LibCrate from the Lafayette Public Library. So you might be asking yourself,
what's a Teen LibCrate? Like, what is this?
so y'all are familiar with subscription boxes. So this is basically a subscription box, but from the library. So the way it works is you go online, LafayettePublicLibrary.org, or you can visit our calendar of events and register to get yourself a LibCrate. These will be available at the main library and also at any of the regional libraries. So you are probably wondering what's in it. I am too. Let's dig in. All right. So at the start, you can see here that there is a list of what you've got in your box and kind of how it works. Or sorry, this is how it works. And then you've got in here what's in your box. So it says, I've got my box. What do I do now? So you read the book, have a snack, and make a craft. Cool. So that kind of tells you what's in it. That's neat. Check out this season's themed Spotify playlist. Whoa, that's cool. Like, big fan there. Instagram it. So you get your box, you open it up, check out everything that's in it. Head on over to our Instagram page, which is at LafPub Library. LAFPUB Library, all one word. And then when you're done looking through the box, taking everything out, using, eating, whatever, just bring back the book and the box to the library. And then keep an eye out for the next Teen LibCrate. Registration is required, but there will be for a year. So they're in March. Hang on, I have my notes. They're March, June, September, and December. So this is the June box. And each quarter, they will be themed something different. So let's dig in and see what's in this box. All right, so we've got summer 2021. And this theme is the fantasy box. You know, dragons, unicorns. And of course, this goes along with our summer reading theme, which is Tales and Tales. So we've got a list of everything that's in it, the upcoming themes, and then how you can follow us on social media. All right. Oh, wow. So this box is a lot of fun. I'm very excited to dig in here. I think you will be too. So first, because it wouldn't be a box from the library without a book, right? So each box will have a different book in it. You may not get this book. This book here is, take that off, Graceling by Kristen Cashore. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sorry, Kristen. And it comes with a bookmark and another bookmark with some recommended books as well. So that's super cool. So just in case you read this one and you love it, head back to the library, pick up one of these. And like I mentioned before, this does need to be returned. It is an active library book, so read it quickly, get it back. All right, so this is like my favorite part of this box. Candy. So you've got a little pack of gummy bears here. We've got a Rice Krispie treat. Everybody loves Rice Krispie treats, right? And I don't know what this is. It is a rainbow putty ball. So that's cool. Oh, it's in there. Ooh, it's a goopy. It's goopy. So you crack that open and there's some putty. We've got a recipe for Kool-Aid rock candy and a packet of Kool-Aid. That's very cool.
Aid.
Huh? What?
It's very cool. Cade.
So we've got a recipe for Kool-Aid rock candy, and it's got a packet of Kool-Aid with it. So you can make that at home in like some little mason jars. That's pretty neat. And there's a craft. So we love crafts at the library, and this one is a mounted unicorn head. So you're going to get the template to make it and the instructions here on the paper. And after you've put it together, it should look something like this. A unicorn. Look, it's got a horn. So this is excellent. We put some washi tape on here to just kind of make it a little more sturdy. Obviously, the horn is just hanging on there, but you can cut yours a little bit deeper. It'll work out better. There we go. That's okay. And last, but most certainly not least, you will also receive the current Book Talk newsletter that has all of the upcoming programs. It's got some calendars in there, some reading calendars, and all the fun stuff that we have going on at the library, and a library resource guide. So that kind of shows you all of the resources that the library offers for free to you as long as you have a library card. So that is the Lafayette Public Library Teen LibCrate. Very neat. If I was a teen, I would pick one up, mainly just for the Rice Krispie treat, but also for the book. All right, so that's it. Go to LafayettePublicLibrary.org and register to get yourself a very cool LibCrate. They are limited. They're only while supplies last. So make sure that you jump on that as soon as possible so you can get yours. Like I mentioned earlier, you only have to bring back the book and the box. The rest is yours to keep. I'm Kelly with the Lafayette Public Library, resident unboxer. I will see you with the next LibCrate. Bye.